Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to find and remove duplicates in Excel, and this is data appearing more than once in your reports erroneously, so you might need to remove it. So to go about this, the first step is to find the duplicate. So select your data set, then under Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting, then highlight Cell Rules, then Duplicate Values. So you can see all the duplicate values have been highlighted in red. Like 10 here, you can see it's been repeated here. 25 has been repeated here. From this drop down icon, you can navigate and change to unique values. And these are values which have not been repeated. Uh, you can see 65, 40, 50. Those are values that are appearing once. Also, but now our interest is duplicate values. And then from this, you can change the highlights. You can shift to yellow, green, but let's stick to red. And because this doesn't really matter, you can choose just any highlight, then click OK. So once you identify the duplicate values, the next thing is to delete. So under data icon, go to remove duplicates. Okay, then you can see Excel recognizes that our data has headers. Always make sure this box is ticked and our column header is numbers. Then you click OK. So 3 duplicate values found and removed, only 10 unique values remain. So then click OK. So right now we only have unique values. I'd like to show you a scenario whereby you have a data set with several columns, how you can go about it. So again, select your data set, then under Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, then go down to Duplicate Values and click on it. So at this particular point, uh, you can see whatever has been repeated again is highlighted. So to delete, go to data icon, then remove duplicates. So uh, our headers here, you can see our data headers or our column headers, that is purchase date, purchase order number, invoice number, and value are detailed here. But I need you to understand something. If a column does not have duplicates, make sure you uncheck the box. Like our case here, the date column has no duplicates. So you have to uncheck this box when deleting. What happens if you don't uncheck it? Let's say, just click on it. You can see the response you are getting is that no duplicate values found. So uh, basically no deletion has happened. So let's do it again. So go to data, remove duplicates. So because right now our date column has no duplicates, let's uncheck it. So I want to delete this repetition, okay? And it's under purchase order number, under invoice number, and the value columns. So I'll make sure the three are ticked, okay? Then once I do that, I click on. There you go. One duplicate value found and removed. So we still have more duplicate values. So let's repeat the same thing, okay? So at this particular point, the date column and the value column got no duplicates. You see, we have no duplicates. So I have unchecked and I'm only left with the purchase order number and the invoice number columns. So this basically will delete this, okay? Then I click on. There you go. So one more remaining, follow the same steps. I'll uncheck the date, the invoice number, and the value column, and only remain with the purchase order number column because that's where we have a repetition. Then I click OK. So at this particular point, all the duplicates have been removed. That's basically how you go about it. But there are more ways on how you can do this. So make sure you stay tuned because I'll do another video on more ways on how you can remove duplicates in your report. For now, just subscribe to our channel And please leave a comment down below so that we can engage and keep this conversation going. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.